Hello all, welcome to Wisdom Jobs. This is Swati, your English instructor for English grammar. So, before going into the topic for today, please do subscribe our channel Wisdom Jobs on YouTube and please do like and share our videos. And if you have any queries or you want to discover new topics, then please do leave a comment in our comment box. So, let us see what are we going to learn today. We are going to learn about modal verbs. Verb consisted in the parts of speech. Generally, in our previous video, if you haven't watched it, then please do watch it, parts of speech, in the same Wisdom Jobs channel for English grammar. So basically in the previous video of parts of speech, we have clearly described how many kinds of parts of speech are there. Basically, parts of speech are words which actually help in the formation of sentence and to form a very meaningful sentences. So in that, verb is also a kind of parts of speech. But in verbs also there are many kind of verbs like auxiliary verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs and also modal verbs. So let us see what are modal verbs today. Modal verbs are basically auxiliary verbs, also called as helping verbs. जो भी वर्ब्स हमें मदद करते हैं एक सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए, उन जैसे वर्ड्स को हम मॉडल वर्ब्स या ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स बोलते हैं. So basically modal verbs are those verbs which basically help in the formation of sentences to form a very meaningful kind of sentences. Basically, for example, can, could, might, would, etc. Example लिया जा सकता है कि I might go home tomorrow. Basically here might is a verb, modal verb which actually helps in the formation of a sentence. So let us see the other examples also. But before that, let us find the terms and conditions of modal verbs in the formation of sentences. Can, could, might, would, etc. After a modal verb, the root form of the verb is generally used. Basically, for example, like the word to. हम लिखते हैं the word to. Especially the terms and conditions of modal verbs are the word to should not appear after a modal verb. So basically modal verbs are can, could, might, would, etc. There are many kind of modal verbs, but the word to should never appear after. Modal verb के पीछे कभी भी आप to को नहीं use कर सकते. जैसे कि let us see for example. Just now I have given an example like I might go home tomorrow. So here might is a auxiliary verb or a modal verb. So basically after might you can never add a to because the meaning of the sentence will completely change and there will be no meaning left in the sentence. For example, I might to go home tomorrow. So basically this to, adding to after a modal verb will change the complete sentence and it's a big error in the English grammar. So but there are also some exception cases where some modal verb, one or two modal verbs do join to after it. For example, out to. Out to, for example, out is also a modal verb, but we join to after it. Modal verbs add meaning to the main verb in a sentence by expressing possibility, ability, permission or obligation. Basically, that is the reason why modal verbs are known as helping verbs, because modal verbs basically help the main verb in the sentence and add extra meaning to the sentence by giving meaning to the main verb. So let us see the example of it. The doctor can see you now. Basically, can. Here can is a modal verb. Is a modal verb. See you now. See is a verb. So here can see, the doctor see you now is not a sentence, but using the word can, which is indeed a modal verb, here gives a proper meaning to the sentence. So let us see the other examples. You must turn in your assignment by tomorrow. Must. Here the word must is a modal verb. And you must turn in your assignment by tomorrow. Turn in here is verb. So without using the word, for example, उदाहरण के लिए ले लीजिए कि हम यहाँ पे must को use नहीं करेंगे, ऐसे ही हम लिख देंगे you turn in your assignment by tomorrow. It's a very common sentence, but here you must turn in your assignment by tomorrow का meaning होता है it's a mandatory work for you that you must पक्का you have to submit your homework by tomorrow. So this is the meaning of modal verb and how modal verb helps the main verb to complete the sentence. The verb to do can be used as modal verb or a main verb. You can do it. Here. So here, let us see the various examples of how modal verb helps the main verb. Examples are, you can do it. Here a simple sentence like, you can do it, where can is plays the role of a modal verb. But where is a verb? Here, do is only the verb. You can do it. So where the main verb is do and modal verb is can, there modal verb helps the main verb to form a very meaningful sentence. Now let us see the various other example too. You do know how to sing. Here also, here only do is the modal verb as there is no other modal verb present in the sentence. For example, just now I have told you, can, could, might, would, should, must, ought to are various examples of modal verbs. But as you can understand, as you can see in this sentence, there is no modal verb present in this sentence. So what happens in this sentence? Here, do. Do is the modal verb as there is no other modal verb in this sentence. So that is how you understand what are modal verbs and how do you differentiate between modal verbs and main verb, and you can also understand how important it is for the modal verb to be present in the sentence to give a proper meaning to the sentence. So if you have understood what are modal verbs and the proper functionality of modal verbs in the formation of sentences, then please do like and share our video and also subscribe our channel Wisdom Jobs in YouTube. If you have any queries regarding the same topic or you want to discover some new topics, then please do leave a comment in our comment box. Thank you.